They head to Bloemfontein because the trial within a trial to determine whether the Bloemfontein High Court has jurisdiction to hear the case against Moroadi Cholota, the former personal assistant to ex-Free State Premier Asbestos. That case resumes today. State prosecutors are expected to again argue that Cholota's extradition was lawful and justified. They will call their second witness to the stand. That's Senior Officer Brigadier Nico Gerber, who traveled to Washington, D.C. in 2021 to interview Cholota. Juniour Khumalo has been following the proceedings and joins us live now from Bloemfontein. Another day, but we continue the saga of trying to find out whether indeed it was lawful and justified to have arrested Moroadi Cholota in the United States and brought her back to South Africa. Juniour.
Indeed, Arabile, the state prosecutors will be trying to maintain that the extradition of Moroadi Cholota was done in a lawful manner when they brought her to South Africa. But we've seen her legal team as well as that representing Asbestos basically saying that her extradition, the entire process was unlawful, unconstitutional, and she actually should be brought back to the U.S. and she should continue with her studies. The first witness that was called by the state was Benjamin Khaled. This time around, they'll be calling his partner, who's also a Hawks investigating officer who traveled along with Khaled to the U.S. to interview Cholota. Basically, what they are arguing is that they had a case against Cholota before they even interviewed her in the U.S. So bringing her back to South Africa was so that she be held accountable for all the charges that she was going to face. But her legal team has argued that the state wanted her to be a witness. She had agreed to be a witness as far back as 2020, but the state, in trying to intimidate her, went all the way to the U.S. They brought in the FBI as well to that interviewing process, and they wanted her to implicate her former boss, Asbestos. When she failed to do so, that is when she was then charged and then brought back illegally to South Africa. So the state will be cross-examining Nico Gerber first, and then there will be the turn of Cholota's legal team. We do understand that Mahashule's advocate Hodes, will also be asking to cross-examine this witness as well as he did with Khaled's Arabil.